Have you ever wondered how to effectively clean out your body system? Detoxification is more than a buzzword. It's an essential process that can substantially improve your health and well-being. As you can see, detoxification isn't just a trend, it's a crucial part of maintaining a healthy body. But what exactly are we trying to remove from our bodies when we detoxify? The answer lies in understanding the common toxins that can build up within us. These toxins come in many forms, such as pollutants from the air we breathe, heavy metals from the water we drink, and chemicals from the processed foods we consume. Many of these toxins are insidious, creeping into our bodies without our notice. They are often byproducts of our modern lifestyle, making them challenging to avoid completely. Over time, these toxins accumulate, quietly undermining our health. The potential negative impacts of these toxins are far-reaching and can include fatigue, headaches, digestive issues, and even chronic diseases. They can interfere with our vital organs and bodily functions, preventing them from working optimally. These toxins, while often unavoidable in our modern world, can wreak havoc on our bodies if left unchecked. It is therefore imperative that we take proactive measures to cleanse our bodies regularly and maintain our overall health. So, how can we combat these toxins and cleanse our bodies naturally? Well, there are several ways to naturally detoxify your body, and none of them require fancy products or complicated protocols. It's all about returning to the basics and making healthy choices consistently. Firstly, consider your diet. Eating a diet high in fruits and vegetables is one of the most effective ways to detoxify your body. These foods are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can help to neutralize toxins and support your body's natural detoxification processes. So, aim to fill your plate with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, from dark leafy greens to vibrant berries. Next, let's talk about hydration. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for flushing out toxins. Water aids in digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and helps your body transport nutrients and eliminate waste. So make sure you're sipping on water throughout the day. If plain water isn't your thing, you can always add a splash of lemon, or a handful of fresh mint for a refreshing twist. Exercise is another key player in natural detoxification. Regular physical activity not only helps you maintain a healthy weight but also stimulates the circulatory and lymphatic systems, helping your body to eliminate toxins more efficiently. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga class, or a high-intensity interval training session, find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Lastly, don't forget about sleep. Quality sleep is essential for your body to repair and regenerate. It's during sleep that your body gets to work detoxifying and recharging for the next day. So, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Remember, the key to effective detoxification is consistency. Small daily actions can lead to big changes over time. So start today and make detoxification a regular part of your lifestyle. It's not about quick fixes or drastic measures. It's about making healthier choices, day in and day out, that support your body's natural ability to detoxify and heal. Remember, the key to effective detoxification is consistency. Small daily actions can lead to big changes over time. Now that we've discussed how to detoxify, let's talk about why you should make it a regular part of your routine. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed, full of energy, and ready to take on the world. That's the kind of vigor detoxification can bring to your life. When you rid your body of toxins, you're effectively unclogging your system, allowing it to function at its peak. This results in increased energy levels, making you feel more alert and active throughout the day. Next, let's talk about digestion, a process that's crucial for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and expelling waste. Toxins can interfere with digestion, causing problems like bloating, gas, and constipation. Detoxification can help improve your digestion by clearing out these toxins, leading to a smoother and more efficient digestive process. If you've ever dreamt of having clear, glowing skin, detoxification could be your ticket. Our skin is often a reflection of our internal health. When our bodies are overloaded with toxins, it can lead to skin issues like acne, eczema, and premature aging. By regularly detoxifying, you're helping to eliminate these toxins, paving the way for healthier, clearer skin. Lastly, detoxification can boost your immune system. Our bodies are designed to naturally detoxify, but a buildup of toxins can put a strain on this process, weakening our immunity. By regularly cleansing your body, you're giving your immune system a helping hand, making it better equipped to fight off illnesses. In essence, detoxification is like giving your body a much-needed tune-up. It's about taking out the trash, so to speak, allowing your body to function as efficiently as possible. And the benefits aren't just physical. Regular detoxification can also have a positive impact on your mental well-being, helping to clear brain fog and improve focus. By regularly detoxifying your body, you're not just improving your health in the short term, you're investing in your long-term well-being. So give your body the care it deserves and embrace the power of detoxification. After all, a healthy body is the best wealth you can have. So, are you ready to start your detox journey? Regularly cleansing your body is vital for optimal health. It's time to take action, embrace the natural detox methods, and step towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, your body is your most important asset. It's worth taking the time to care for it properly. Now we want to hear from you. Got a detox tip that works wonders? Feel free to spill the beans in the comments section. Let's create a community that thrives on wellness. And don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content. Here's to a healthier, happier you.